Hello?
Hey, Emma. Did I catch you at a bad time?
No, not at all. I was just relaxing. What's up?
So, I wanted to ask you something. My family is having a Christmas holiday gathering this weekend.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, we'll all be at my parents' house. My dad, my mom, my sister, and her 2 kids. It's a full house.
That sounds lively.
Definitely is. Anyway, I was wondering, would you like to come with me?
Me? To your family's Christmas gathering?
Yeah, no pressure at all. I just thought it would be nice.
Honestly, I'd love to. Thank you for inviting me.
Really? That makes me very happy.
I might be a little nervous, though.
That's totally normal. They're very friendly, and I'll be right there with you.
Okay, then yes, I'm in.
Great. We'll go together on Saturday afternoon.
Perfect.
Have a good night.
You too. Bye. All right, Emma. First Christmas with his family. No big deal. Just breathe. Something comfortable, but not too casual.
Okay, something simple but thoughtful. This one feels right.
Can I help you find something? Yes, please. I'm looking for a Christmas gift, something simple but thoughtful. This candle set is very popular, and this one is great for families. I like this one. It feels warm and cozy. Good choice. I'll take it. And could you wrap it, please? Of course. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, feeling ready?
Mostly just a little nervous.
That's normal. You'll be great. Just be yourself.
Jack, you're here.
Hi, Mom. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sweetheart. And you must be Emma?
Yes, I am. Nice to finally meet you. Merry Christmas.
Oh, it's so nice to meet you too. Come in, come in. It's cold outside.
Thank you so much.
Hey there, you made it.
Hi, Dad. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And you're Emma, right?
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Jack's told us a lot about you.
All good things, I hope.
Only the good ones.
Jack, you're finally here.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And you must be Emma.
Hi, yes, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Lisa. And these are my 2 little helpers.
Hi. Hi.
Hi there. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Is that a present?
Yes, it's for everyone.
Cool. Thank you so much, Emma.
Oh,
It was just a dream. Christmas dinner. Jack's family. Lisa? Still, it felt real. Maybe someday. Hello?
Good morning, Emma. Did I wake you?
No, not at all. I was already awake. Good morning.
Good. You sound relaxed.
I am. Actually, I slept really well.
That's good to hear. Nice dreams?
Funny you ask.
Uh-oh, that sounds dangerous.
I had a dream about you.
About me?
Yes, and your family.
My family? Already?
Yes, very serious dream.
Should I apologize?
Not yet.
Okay, go on.
In the dream, we went to your parents' house for Christmas.
Wow, that escalated quickly.
I know, I was very nervous.
That sounds realistic.
Your mom opened the door. She was very warm. She smiled and hugged you.
That is exactly her.
Your dad made a joke. I didn't understand it at first, but I laughed anyway.
Also very accurate.
Then your sister came in with two very energetic kids.
Let me guess. Lisa?
Lisa.
Okay, now I'm impressed.
She was kind. She said I fit right in.
That sounds like her.
Even the kids liked me.
That's the hardest part.
I know. I felt comfortable.
That's nice.
It felt warm, safe, happy.
You know, my family really is like that.
That doesn't help,
Why not?
because now my dream feels possible.
Is that a bad thing?
Not really.
If it ever happens, I'll be right there with you.
In the dream, you were.
Good. I like Dream Me.
Me too.
Did anything else happen?
Yes. I woke up.
Ah, the worst part.
Definitely.
Well, maybe dreams are just practice for real moments.
Then I think I did okay.
I think so too.
Thanks for listening.
Anytime. I like your dreams.
Careful, I might have more.
I'll take the risk.
I should get up now.
Yeah. Have a good morning, Emma.
You too, Jack.
Talk later?
I'd like that. Okay, maybe dreams are not so silly.